Yes, it is the phase of modern world where weighting and measuring is one of the greatest motto. Yes, where the portability is needed and the portability is given by this portable weighting machine. That is, I am going to introduce before my YouTube friends. Let's see. Here I am going to unpack the packet. You can see the packet. Here's the packet from Amazon.in. Yes, the rate is packaging and the website here and the tool sites here. You can see it Amazon.in. And now the lower portion. Yes, it is the instruction and address of the packet. Yes, what the packet is made, not the particular product but the instruction of the packet, and in actually where the packet is made. The total address is here. See here. I am writing the plastic packet info, packaging info here. Yes, you can see the packaging info here, and here the plastic type, recyclable plastic, and here the logo, keep your city clean. Yes, recyclable plastic. Yes, here, and you can see here the Amazon.in. And now I am going to show for you. Yes, the usable instruction. Yes, the original packaging including hangers, polybags. See the packaging including hangers, polybags, and the gift boxes, items, someone we asked. It is indicating that you must be ensure that the plastic packet is unused before your use. Yes, you have to use the plastic. Yes, the instructions to return or yes, if the packet is broken you must return it. The instruction to return and use, and it is smart is beautiful Amazon dialog. And here the COD amount 238 here. You can see there is 238, and here is my address. Here's the shipping address. I am pointing one by one. You can see this. It is the shipping address here. Shipping address is also showing, and the packaging address here. By the y, and that's here. See this. Yes, I am bringing before you the packet again. Yes, and now I am scissoring this packet, and you must ensure it before scissoring that no particles can be under it, and I am doing so with my pair of scissors. Yes, it's almost done and done. And now I am unpack the main plastic. See, portable electronic scale. It is the portable electronic scale. The outer packet is showing here, and now the inner module. Yes, it's the machine. Yes, it can take up to 50 kilos of load. And here is the container to keep your battery, and AAA battery is to be used here, and you must ensure AAA battery is to be used here, not AA. And I am bringing the AAA battery for you, and see the LCD display, see the LCD display for you, and the instruction in Chinese, and here in English something, but no instruction is only intended, and so I am keeping it. See, backlight, here is backlight also, yes, for the night vision. See the oil logo, and it's backlight here, as I have said before. The affordable scale is here, the type, yes, digital and heavy, and the scale, electronic scale it is, and this is the portable electronic scale that is clearly showing here. Now I am opening the packet and I am bringing the scale before me. This is the back side, and I am keeping the battery one by one, AAA battery. You must have ensured the minus and plus point here, see, and then the minus and plus of your battery, and keep it like this, and another one like oh, and to keep it pressing and like this. See, the meter is on, and LV, the load is 0 now. I'm giving it, yes, yes, okay. Finally I am closing the battery container, yes, and here it is. See, here it is, and it's the hook, it is the hook to hang any material which is to be waiting, and I am going to do so. I am going to do so before you, yes, 14 grams, see, it is the 14 grams only, the weight of scissor. I have lit it, the backlight is open, it is locked as if the weight is locked. Very easy to use. You must ensure to turn it 0 before using the scale. Yes, I am referring, and the weight is increasing now, 24, and it is. Moreover, I am bringing the scale again. Here the 3 switches, see these 3 switches, 3 switches, one is to ensure 0, and then hang it and lock it. See, I have locked the weight 15 grams, and now I am opening the batteries. Yes, I am opening like this and like this, and I am closing it again and keeping it. Yes, this is the scale. Actually this is height, and yes, this is the hook. You must hang it before use, or may not hang it before use, but if you hang, you can get a proper weight. See the hook, this hook, it is a slide hook, yes, a slide hanging. press it and slide it, press it and yes, space and slide it, yes, like a dryer. And so it is here. Then my friends, bye bye.